niggas and some Madonna hoes that look just like virgins but trust they down to go. Yeah, discussing life and all our common goals. Smart kids that smoke weed on a roll. Yeah, look how the champagne diamonds glow. Fine dining, pour another glass when the wine is low. I'm in the crib stacking money from here to the ceiling. Whatever it is I got is clearly appealing. These other rappers getting that inferior feeling. I hope you feel it in your soul, spiritual healing. Take a look at yourself, the mirror's revealing. If you ain't got it, you ain't got it, the theory is brilliant. People ask how music is going, I heard it pays. I just came up making 2 million in 30 days. Damn, I guess it does what the message was. Sometimes I feel like I'm spending my money just because. But Weezy, I'm just out here repping us till I get to shake their hand.